Welcome to User and I, the channel where I teach UI designers how to create user-friendly interfaces. And today we're back with another tip video and we're talking about sizing. We have two mobile devices, both at 414 and 690 height. Let's say you want to create a shape inside this frame that was about 40 pixels smaller width-wise. How would you go about that? I mean, one way is to duplicate this shape here using Command D, and then we could literally just minus 40 pixels from that number there. That's one way. Another way is to draw a rectangle and then we could again change that. But there's a really cool way to do this that makes it a lot easier, makes it a lot more accurate. So if we go in and duplicate the shape here using Command D, I'm going to change the color of that just so we can see it. I'm going to go in here and say minus 40 pixels and hit enter. And then what I'll do is I'll select the shape below it and then I'll center align that. Now we have a shape that's exactly 40 pixels smaller in width and 20 pixels on each side. Now you can also do this with the height as well. Let's go in here and duplicate this shape. I'm going to sample this color and let's go for 50, let's go for half of this, minus 50%. So what we can do here in Sketch is that we can do calculations in the width and the height area to get really accurate sizing of the shapes that we're creating. And this tip works with percentages and pixels. So in your next video, how about trying to set the sizing of your shapes using calculations in the measurements area in Sketch? And that's it for today's video. Like, share and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next tip video.